Here's the deal. I have literally logged thousands of hours on a grill/smoker. However, I have never formally cooked a turkey. Seeing how my employer, Evans Memorial Hospital, has seen fit to provide me with a turkey, I am going to attempt today to smoke said bird. I've been itching to try this for some time. I've been as giddy as a schoolgirl all week. Can't you tell? Anyhow, we're going to throw this bird on the old acorn and see how she goes. Y'all stay tuned.
For a little bit of action, been scratching at these walls. Cabin fever's got me boiling over, getting closer. Big shot coming out from the shadows, I'm tracking every move. No backing down, I'm ready now. I've been waiting for a time like this, taking aim and I won't miss. My heart's beating, I can feel it down in my bones. It's all I want and I won't let go. I've gotta live for a time like this. See the sun coming over the horizon, I'm right where I wanna be. Can't get enough, it's in my blood. I've been waiting for a time like this. I'm taking aim and I won't miss. My heart's beating, I can feel it down in my bones. It's all I want and I won't let go. I've gotta live for a time like this. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. I've been waiting for a time like this, taking aim and I won't miss. My heart's beating, 'cause I can feel it down in my bones. It's all I want and I won't let go. I've gotta live, 'cause I've been waiting for a time like this. I'm taking aim and I won't miss. My heart's beating.
That's a pretty good yard eagle right there. I'm a turkey man now. That's what I'm talking about.